Okay, welcome. Today, your whole day assignment is to use your exponent rules and see if you can figure out this open problem. Each box needs to be filled in with the digits 1 through 20. You can only use each number one time. And you want to try to create equivalent expressions. So unlike the last open middle, they don't equal a certain number, they equal each other. I think it's helpful to see perhaps a wrong answer. We are looking for 3 wrong answers and 1 correct answer. Feel free to work together. You can Google Meet with your friends and try to help each other out. Talking it out is a good problem-solving strategy. So let's just go through 1 wrong answer. If I were to choose a 1 in the first spot, okay, I can't use 1 again. So I need to choose a different number or digits. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can go all the way up to 20. So maybe I'll even just put in a 20 over here. And I like the number 13 too, just for fun. Okay, so I filled in some digits here. You don't necessarily have to use all the numbers 1 through 20 because obviously there are not 20 spots. But if you do use a number, you can't use it again. So let's simplify and see what each of these answers become. Okay, you can type it into your calculator if you want, but there are some faster ways to do it. I just don't really want to give away anything. So my first piece becomes 4. All right. Again, there are faster ways to do this. I just don't really want to give away anything. So if you're coming up with some strategies or you see patterns, please do use them or try to come up with a faster way of solving this if possible. The next piece then is 2, 6, 2, 1, 4, 4. So you don't even have to solve the rest of them. You already know that it's wrong. You're trying to get each piece to equal the same number. You don't know what number that is that you want them all to equal. All right, so this one is 1 wrong answer. So here's my first wrong. Instead of crossing it or erasing it on your paper, maybe just cross it out and start over. All right, start over with another attempt. Okay, start over. Each mistake teaches you something, and perhaps you can, again, come up with some problem-solving strategies to make this a little bit faster rather than just a complete guess and check. My hints would be look back at your exponent rules and see if you can somehow create some equivalent expressions using your exponent rules and the numbers that are given. All right, so happy solving, and make sure that you are showing your wrong attempts as well. We need at least 3 wrong attempts and 1 right attempt. You can work together through Google Meet.